How to get rid of whiteheads on the face and nose. Sugar scrub. While sugar is a big dietary villain these days, there are quite a few good things that it does. Being rough and granular, sugar is a good exfoliant. Using sugar as a scrub can effectively remove dead skin cells, as well as dirt and bacteria underneath the skin. Direction: mix a small amount of honey with sugar to form a coarse paste. Apply this paste all over the face or the area affected by whiteheads, then gently massage the paste over the area in a circular motion. Leave the paste to dry. After about 10 minutes, wipe it off with a washcloth, rinse off any remaining residue. Repeat the process once a week to ensure all whiteheads are removed. Fenugreek leaves. While most of the remedies we have seen till now help remove whiteheads temporarily, fenugreek can ensure whiteheads are removed for good. Applying fenugreek paste on the face improves the quality of the skin, thereby making it resistant to blemishes and illnesses like acne, whiteheads, blackheads, etc. Studies show that using fenugreek extract substantially increased skin elasticity, hydration and the ability of skin to resist photoaging. This is one remedy that can effectively remove stubborn whiteheads. Direction: make a paste with fenugreek leaves by grinding it with water in a mixer. Apply the paste on the face and leave it on overnight. Wipe off the paste in the morning, then wash with cold water. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more natural remedies video. Please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.